Hello guys, and this evening I am cooking some mincemeat dinner and probably some fusilli pasta with it. I'm boiling some water. I honestly have no clue what else I'm making. I think it's just that. We have some garlic bread. I could do garlic bread. But we've got a good pudding. I don't know what to cook. Yeah. So I think I'm going to make it a beefy stock mince. So no tomatoes. With the fusilli, and then I don't know, yeah, maybe garlic bread. I don't know what else to do. I don't know, my back hurts and I don't know what I've done to it. I think it was yesterday at the meal I was sitting really weirdly in the chair, so I think it could have been that. I don't know, so I don't really feel like standing up and cooking for ages. But yeah. So yeah, I'm just frying some mince now and trying to get my YouTube video. So guys, now I am just draining the excess fat off of the mincemeat. And we put ours in jars because if we tip it down the sink, it's going to block the sink. So I'm not going to drain like 100% of it off, but I'm going to drain a lot. Because we don't want the fat and oil in the food. We don't need it, and it's really runny. I'm going to be putting 2 stock cubes in this as well. Okay guys, so now I've added some water into the bottom of the mince and I'm crushing, while it's still in its packet, I'm crushing a stock cube. So it's an OXO one. It's this beef OXO cube. And then I'm just going to go like that over the top of the mince. You guys can't see it. Like this. And burst the middle. And then just tip it all in. Okay. And because I've added the water, it's going to turn into a sort of maybe slightly gravy thing. It's not going to be thick, but it's just going to give it some flavour. I'll do the other one quick. I honestly am completely making this meal up. Now I'm going to measure out 3 portions of pasta because there's only 3 of us having it. I'm going to use my whole wheat fusilli. Or fusilli or whatever it's called. I don't know how to pronounce this stuff. But yeah. Okay. Right. So much. And I'm going to put our secret ingredient in this recipe as well. Scales are in here. Literally, our kitchen is so small. Well, it's not actually small, it's quite a big kitchen, but it just doesn't have the storage that 5 people require in like bowls and plates and cups and just food in general. So I'm going to measure out, oh my god, what is 3 portions? Who knows? Let me just do 75 3 times. I can't do the maths. Okay guys, so I'm adding some herbs and spices. I thought I'd put a little bit of garlic granules in it. Okay, so there's some garlic, Italian herbs. I know they're in it already, but I like to add some more basil and definitely some more parsley too. Oh, nice. Okay, now I'm going to mix it in. I should probably add some more water to this, I think. Okay guys, so the secret ingredient is in now, and I am just going to add some tinned sweet corn. I find it difficult to open tins, so I use a spoon or a fork or something, so I wedge it underneath and I flip it up, and then I can lift that up. But then I find that when I use the ring pull, this thing, when I use this bit, it cuts the blood off to my finger, so I use the spoon handle as a lever. There we go. There's some sweet corn. Yeah, so the secret ingredients in here, we've got our stock cubes and we've got our Italian and other seasonings. Let's mix. I think I'm going to use the whole tin. Yeah, so I just drained the liquid out of it. Just turn the heat up a bit. Oh, and I'm putting some garlic bread in the oven. So we're going to have garlic bread with it as well. And I'm going to grate some cheese. Well, we have some left over, and then I'm going to grate my cheese. My Parmesan. Parmesan. I don't know how to say that either. Or how it's meant to be pronounced. I have a feeling this is going to be very plain. Let's try some. Need a bit more mince to try it. There we go. Gonna try it. It's alright. It's not as beefy as I wanted it. I wanted it to taste like really beefy. I could add some gravy to it, but I want to be able to save it for tomorrow, and it will kind of get a skin on it and stuff if I add gravy to it, so I'm not really sure what else to do to it. But I kind of want it to be a bit more beefy. I could put another stock cube in, but I've already put 2 in, so I don't know. I think it'll be okay actually once it's mixed in with the pasta and everything. Yeah. Okay, that's ready. The pasta's nearly finished boiling. the garlic bread about that long. That'll do. I don't want to waste the kitchen foil, the tin foil. But yeah, I think they take like 12 minutes. Cook from chilled, yeah, 12 to 14 minutes. But that packet opens easily. I mean, it does, it just rips to pieces. Okay, there you go, garlic bread. Now, into the oven. Okay guys, look at this, delicious. Now I'm just going to add my favourite cheese on top. Just with this. I had so much of this cheese yesterday at the restaurant. It was so good. I had this bread thing with sun-dried tomatoes on it. Well, they weren't sun-dried tomatoes. I'm not sure if it said that. Anyway, it was like tomatoes with some herbs and stuff on it. It was delicious with some salad as well, but I didn't eat all the salad because, you know, vitamin K. And then I had spaghetti carbonara, which was so good. And we didn't have puddings. None of us. There were 6 of us and no one wanted pudding. We were full. I probably could have, because I was hungry by the time we got home. But at that time, I felt sick because I'd eaten so much food. But then we got home and I was hungry. So I probably should have had pudding. Ooh, sparkly. Yeah. It is the best cheese ever. Oops. Although mouldy cheese follows in a close second. Garlic bread. Oh, this is gonna be so good. And we have, Alana and I have a pudding, so shh, don't tell Charlie, he doesn't know. We're gonna have custard with our pudding as well. I'll show you guys.